Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Before we talk about the latest news related to CTET, let us quickly understand what is this CTET. It is actually a central teacher eligibility test qualifying exam for teachers in government and aided schools across India. Okay, in Karnataka means we have Karnataka TET, right? Like that only we have CTET for the national level. For entire of India it is applicable. Okay, and now right now for this TET we have two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. For those who want to teach class 1 to 5, we have paper 1. For those who want to teach for classes 6th to 8th, we have paper 2. Okay, so if you clear paper 1, then you are eligible to teach in primary section. If you clear paper 2, then you are eligible to teach in upper primary section. Okay, that is class 6 to 8. And if you clear both, then you can teach from class 1 to class 8. Now there was a recent update related to this CTET wherein many people even in social media, they were claiming that CTET will have 4 levels. These 4 levels are divided into pre-primary, that is Balvatika, then primary, that is from class 1 to 5, and then junior, that is from class 6 to 8, and for TGT, PGT for classes 9th to 12th. So as per this rumor only I should say now, because this is not true. Okay, anyway, now according to this proposal, in this level 1, the pre-primary or Balvatika, this was applicable for teachers of early childhood education, that is from 3 to 6 years kids they can teach. Okay, and this level would test knowledge about fundamental literacy, numeracy and play-based learning, child psychology for pre-primary learners. Then level 2 was for primary, that is from class 1 to class 5. This was for teachers handling early school years. Like we have CTET paper 1, no? Like that only this is there. Okay, the level 2. Then level 3, junior level. This is for classes 6 to 8. Teachers who are handling middle school, no, they should write this exam and they should qualify it. It is same as our paper 2 of CTET. Okay. Now new level was introduced. This is it for TGT, PGT classes from 9th to 12th, means 9th, 10th, PUC first year and second year. Okay. Now you all don't need to worry. Actually, many aspirants are worried and they are messaging us related to this new update. Actually, many were talking about this, but this is not applicable now. This will be applicable only after 2027 as per NCTE. Okay, see this news, it is of Hindustan Times. Now, as per this news, NCTE has clarified that such changes will be considered only after 2027. It is the National Council for Teacher Education, right? So they told that whenever the first batch of the 4-year integrated B.Ed program will start, right? ITEP, for them it will be applicable, they are telling. Okay. So here they are telling that the National Council for Teacher Education NCTE chairperson Pankaj Arora has dismissed media reports claiming that the Central Teacher Eligibility Test CTET will be expanded to 4 levels, including for the first time class 9 to 12 from this year or next. So this is not true. They have told clearly. He clarified that such changes will be considered only after 2027 when the first batch of the 4-year integrated teacher education program ITEP graduates. Arora said the NCTE, the statutory body that prescribes minimum qualifications for school teachers, has not issued any directions to the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE in this regard. Currently, CBSE conducts Central Teacher Eligibility Test in 2 papers, paper 1 for teaching aspirants of classes 1 to 5 and paper 2 for those aiming to teach classes 6 to 8. For teaching classes 9 to 12, candidates are generally required to hold a postgraduate degree in the relevant subject. a B.Ed degree and qualify in recruitment examinations conducted by respective central or state recruiting bodies, as there is presently no CTET for these levels. Okay. Media reports claiming that CTET will include classes 9 to 12 from this year or next are incorrect. We have neither issued any official notification nor instructed CBSE to conduct CTET at 4 levels. The system is not yet ready, as we have not prepared teachers for all 4 stages of schooling. We are likely to introduce the 4-level CTET only after the first batch of ITEP graduates in 2027. So as per this report, even if the first batch is graduating in 2027, after that only, maybe in 2028 or so, this new rules of NCTE will be implied. Okay, so you don't need to worry much about all this. CTET should be conducted by August, right? Actually, by this time, even Karnataka TET notification also should have been out, right? Even that is not out. So we can expect anytime soon, even for CTET also and even for Karnataka TET also. And we are expecting that Karnataka TET also will be conducted online this time. So you need to prepare yourself mentally to write a online exam. So okay friends, we really hope that we have cleared all your doubts now. So whatever this news was there, no, it was not actually fake, but it is not applicable right now. So why do we worry? At least for 3 years it is not applicable. Okay. You need to prepare for Karnataka TET and CTET now, because now you all came to know how much these exams are really needed for you all, right? They are the qualifying exams and they will lead you to the government job recruitment also. Okay friends, if you found this update useful, then please like and share it to your friends also, so that they don't get misled with this news. Okay, thank you, all the best, bye.